Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If y'all want to see how I got this DIY silk press, then continue watching the video. For this, I'm using my clips, my paddle brush, my BioSilk Silk Therapy, my Sindal Silk Fusion Therapy, my Conair hair dryer, some combs, a scrunchie, and my EAP flat irons. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. I already have my hair in sections in these twists, so I'm going to take out the twists one by one and put my BioSilk on for heat protection. And then I'm going to take that section and section it off even more because my hair is super thick and I just want to make the blow drying process easier. And the blow drying process is very important in terms of silk presses because it is the foundation. You need to get your hair as straight as possible with the blow dryer so that when you go to flat iron it, it'll be much easier and it'll be much straighter. As you can see, I'm not using the comb attachment that comes with the blow dryer. I'm using the paddle brush, and I will take the brush and brush through my hair to stretch it out and then put the blow dryer closer to it, and then I'll take the brush and flip my hair to get the blow dryer closer to it. After my hair is blow dried, I'm going to put it into sections so that I can flat iron it. So you see I'm putting most of my hair up, setting the flat iron on 430. This is how fast the flat iron heats up. Like, it literally heats up as it counts. And then I'm going to take a clip and I'm going to section my hair even more so that I can get a better pass. The more that you section your hair, the better the passes will be, especially if you have thick hair. So I'm taking another smaller section and I'm taking the comb, the smallest comb that I have, and I'm doing the chase method so that I can get my hair as straight as possible. I'll continue doing this throughout my whole head, sectioning it off and then making another section and then doing little smaller sections and flat ironing with the chase method. And that is the whole process. So I will let y'all watch and see how I did everything. When I get closer to the top of my head, that's when I make my part, whether it be a side part or a middle part. In this case, I'm doing a middle part just to make it more simple. By me doing it this way, it's way easier at this point, and it makes it faster because I'm not doing so many little sections and I'm doing a wider section of hair. And these are the end results of my DIY silk press. This is what I always do. These are the products that I always use. I've had those flat irons for about 3 to 5 years, and these are the results. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see y'all in the next video.